Today we're talking about your traps. Hello and welcome back. In today's class we're talking about the big trapezius muscle. It's a big diamond-shaped muscle that can be divided into 3 sections and does 4 joint actions. The first part we're going to talk about is the upper traps. The upper traps are responsible for 2 joint actions, scapular elevation and scapular upward rotation. First, scapular elevation. Probably the most popular exercise for scapular elevation is dumbbell shrugs. You can also use a barbell to perform this action. Joint action number 2 is scapular upward rotation. Probably the most popular exercise for that is shoulder press. Most people use dumbbells, but you could also use barbells. Another great exercise for scapular upward rotation would be upright rows. If you're working your traps, you have to make sure that your upper arms are above 90 degrees. Anything below 90 degrees is going to be your middle deltoid. The next trap we're going to talk about is the mid trap. A great machine to exercise your mid traps is the reverse pec deck. The most important thing here is to remember to keep your upper arms perpendicular to your torso. Pull your elbows straight back by squeezing your shoulder blades together. Another exercise for your mid traps is bent lateral. And the third exercise for your mid traps is Trx High Rows. As with reverse pec deck, keep your elbows high and pull them back by squeezing your shoulder blades. The last section of the trapezius we're going to talk about is the lower traps. The lower traps get exercised anytime you do a pull down exercise. But if you really want to isolate the lower traps, then you'll have to do some kind of shoulder depression. There are a couple of machines at your gym that may allow you to do shoulder depression. One of them is the assisted pull-ups machine. I put some resistance on the machine, start with elevated shoulders, and then I push the seat down. Same thing with this tricep machine. I start with elevated shoulders and push my shoulders and my shoulder blades down. There you have it. We've covered all 3 sections of your trapezius. Plus, we covered a lot of different exercises to tackle each one of those sections and 4 different joint actions. If you want more health and fitness tips, make sure you hit that circle. If you want some exercise tips to get your first pull-up, hit that rectangle. And if you want to sign up for some classes, check out the description below. See you in the next video.